Hi guys, welcome to tap dance tutorial at home. This is Anna, and today I have for you an exercise to work on your double shuffle. So let me share with you some tips to do this exercise. So I'm brushing the floor with this part of the foot. So I'm gonna break it down for you. Step, you want to have this one available very soon with the ankle relaxed, and you go straight into brush, 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 and then again on the other side, step, brush, 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 brush. A shuffle is two brushes, one down, one up, okay? So before you can do maybe down, up, down, up, down, up, to be sure that your movement it's coming from the leg and not the ankle, because you will not be able to do this exercise otherwise. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and you notice that my ankle is always relaxed. I'm not doing this. You know, it's the leg who's working. Okay, let's change. And down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, again, up, down, up. It's the leg who is working. That is working. The leg is working, not the ankle. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? So remember, first, as soon as you do the step, you plant the step, the other leg is available. Okay? Second, the other leg is available with the mellow ankle, very relaxed ankle. And also, this step, you want to think it as a whole movement. You don't want to think step and then brush, 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 okay? Okay? So think it as a whole movement, not a step after step after step after step. It's going to be much easier. So now we're going to do it at 80 BPM. Are you ready for the 90? $100. count 10. One 20 now. And we're gonna finish with 130. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. Give a thumbs up to the video, and I see you the next time. Bye, have a good day.